G'day guys, it's Matthew here from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're going to talk about the Trisan S8 Appliance Tester. Now Trisan is an Australian manufacturer based in South Australia. They produce two types of machines, one downloadable, which can store your data, and a basic entry-level machine, which I'm going to show you today. So here we go. It is built within a Pelican style transit case. It is also battery operated, as you can see here, that runs off AA's. But let's crack it open, have a look and see what we've got. So first things you will notice with this device, it does have two test sockets here, one for doing leakage current testing and the other for doing standard insulation and earth continuity testing. Now this is built for safety, but it's very unique with this particular brand. What you'll also notice is that it does have a cloverleaf and a figure 8 connection here so that you can test those particular leads without using special adapters. The machine itself will do your standard class 1, your class 2, your RCDs, pretty much everything you need to do when you're testing and tagging. So besides that, the kit itself comes with a standard IEC lead for doing extension leads. We've got a power supply because the machine will run off batteries or mains depending on what's plugged in. You have a standard earth return lead for testing your class 1 and class 2 equipment. And lastly, you have your instruction manual, your calibration certificate, and everything you need for your documentation. So that covers up for this machine. If you have any questions or queries, please reach out to the team. We'll be very happy to help, and we'll see you next time.